Alright, YouTubers, yeah, I fully assembled my computer. If you followed all these steps correctly, your computer should turn on. And let me remind you before I forget, there was these wires right here. I forgot to plug them into the rainbow looking slot. Yeah, I forgot to plug them in, so sorry about that. And sorry how to explain to put it in. But if you have followed all my instructions and learned the ways of the Padawan and the Jedi and the way of the Force, your computer should now turn on. It's magic! It's me, the Mario! Let's look at my screen. Alright, everything in my computer seems to be functioning. Everything's on. My BIOS comes up. Sorry, my screen comes up a little blue. But all I have to do is push in my DVI a little bit more, because my DVI, since I use my computer almost 24 hours, 16 hours out of the whole day, 16 hours out of the whole day, my computer DVI port is kind of messed up. Oh yeah. So let me just fix that real quick. Alright, Windows XP, baby. See it? Yes, I got it. Alright, now that you learn how to put up a computer, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Goodbye. Good night. Good afternoon. Whatever.